Welcome to the Foodie Writer channel. Today we have our guest little chefs who are going to teach us to make something wonderfully yummy. So little chefs, what are we going to learn today?
We will be making delicious madeleines. And to tell you, they are airy cakes and they melt in your mouth.
Ooh, let's get started. Could you tell us a little bit more about what ingredients we are going to use?
Here are some organic free-range eggs from our friend's backyard's chicken. And then here's some baking powder. And then here's some organic flour.
Here's organic unsalted butter, pure vanilla extract, lemons from our backyard, and granulated sugar.
So what's step number 1?
We melt 7 tablespoons of unsalted organic butter until it's very brown. The next step is we get 3/4 of a cup of organic flour. This is 1/2. Fill it up more than usual, and then get a butter knife and cut off the rest. You put it in the smaller bowl.
Now we'll put a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
A pro tip is not to put more than 1/4. You have to do 1/4 or less, or else the madeleines will be very dry and not like the original version.
Now we stir. Make sure to be very gentle so nothing flies out or nothing like I don't know, just don't mess it up. Now we're going to put 1/2 cup of sugar into the bowl right here. Now we're going to crack 2 eggs into the bowl with sugar. Now we're going to turn this lemon into lemon zest by putting it over the grater and grating it. Make sure your fingers are on the other side of the lemon so that you don't grate your fingers.
We will add 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, and that is 2 teaspoons. You can add more or less if you want to. This is a tip. So madeleines are very like lemon cakes, not normal cakes. So if you add less than 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, then it'll not taste like that much of a madeleine. It'll taste like regular cakes. Now here we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Smells yummy.
We'll whisk it with this hand mixer for about 5 minutes. A pro tip about this is not to lift it up before turning it off. We are whisking it to make air bubbles to make the madeleines very, very fun.
Now we're done mixing in the wet ingredients.
Now we will pour in the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients.
Now we will mix.
So while mixing, you're supposed to fold it over like this. We will add 1 tablespoon more of butter to make up for the loss of evaporated butter. Now we will pour in the butter, mix it, and put it in the fridge for 1 hour. See you guys in 1 hour.
It's
been an hour. So we started the oven to 350 degrees. We took this out of the fridge for out of 1 hour. And now we get the Madeleine tray, and we get a spatula and a teaspoon. And then you just take it out of the teaspoon and just place it in. If it doesn't look that much to you, just put a little bit more. And do that 12 more times. It doesn't matter about how the shape is because it's gonna melt into the tray and make it puffed up.
Just like it's gonna do in your mouth. To 11 minutes. Okay.
After you're done taking it out of the oven, scratch all around the Madeleines so it's like loose to take out.
This is my first time.
And then you
It's actually really hot.
carefully take them out. After that, you get a powdered sugar and sprinkle it all over the Madeleines. It gives you a very flavoring taste and adds a little sweet to the Madeleines.
And it looks good too.
How does it taste? Can you each of you tell us, take a bite and tell us how it is?
Okay.
Moment of truth.
Oh, I get the crispy one.
These are very good.
Very
That's
good.
the end of this video. And next time we will see you.
Bye.